Wait, what the hell are you doing, Nissan driver? Really? Red light, run. Red light, run. Well, holy shit. Okay, that guy definitely ran the red light.
It's another song that's
the atmosphere that corresponds to the elements of heaven. So the third heaven, he calls it paradise.
Wait, what are you doing?
And that may not be identifiable with the
Really?
mythological Garden of Eden. This kind of restoration of all.
any list of Yankee all-time greats starts with Babe Ruth. Okay, if you didn't have Babe Ruth one,
Red light, run. Oh well. Let's go somewhere else.
the Yankees got the first game. They got a 5-0 game in the first game.
Seriously, you're gonna pull all the way out like that? You make people go around you?
Late in that game, they get a 2-1 home run. All right, so the game ends 5-2. World. You had sponsors pulling millions of dollar accounts. You had countries that banned the opening ceremony.
Can you figure out where you're going, please?
There was a
Toyo turd.
I don't know if that's helped the Olympics. So you had a guy who touched the ball 6 times and put up 100 yards of real estate and scored a couple of touchdowns.
Wait, what the hell are you doing, Nissan driver? Really?
If I remember right, 5th round. Top of my head, I think 5th round. Yeah. And their coverage stuff. And that's their point of emphasis. So they tried to come into the game even yesterday and show that they were going to be far more aggressive and allow their defects to play far more aggressively. So that didn't happen yet. We'll have to wait for that. You know it's.
You know he's going to be there. You know what he's thinking of, you know what his use is going to be, you know, all that.
So
Where are you going to go where you're going to save time? Up and around 490?
It's there.
What's going to happen? He's going to be the breakout. Right. The Giants are better in some politicians this year.
Yeah, oh look, 2 seconds after the guy turns around, the gates lift up. It's like being patient is not a thing, you know? I mean, yeah, that's what it is. Why are you watching? What the fuck are you doing, dude? Seriously. I'm not even gonna sing the song. That's dumb.
Because at some point, we will move beyond the over-engineering, over-optimizing.
Wait, what are you doing?
Over-optimizing.
What are you doing? Right turn regret. Really?
Drifted, lifting, and she could see the bright sunlight upon the changing landscape of the planet.
Red light. Oh,
Reaches
never
of
mind.
green vegetation where parched earth had once dominated.
I thought he was going to
Without a
go.
vision of the
And he
future,
backed up ashamed.
What magic! He would add his own complexities to the existing lines. He had served Paul's father, and thus the succession.
Red light, run. Red light, run. Red light, run.
Do this work, to take this work on. I think that they are running an inclusive campaign, and I'm
stop, Toyo turd.
I watched. This is you can't go a little more liberal. It's a fucking yes or no question. Sure. He knows he's going to lose that question because everywhere that abortion arrives on the ballot.
Red light, run.
His eye sockets black and scarred in a way that could have been done by a stone throw.
No, stop.
And his voice conveyed that crackling tone.
And then Jesus flips a U-E and everybody just screams out into heaven.
Nice cut off.
That's where it gets.
Yeah, nice cut off again.
Suffer. Tribulation.
Of course, you remember this in a way that I can, Jessica said. For a moment, memory-driven, Geneva saw her grandmother in a different light. What is Geneva said? Jessica blinked, realized that the barriers had been creeping back in place, dropped.
Nice cut off.
She asked, "Will you believe my love for you?" "Yes."
Which is now less than 2 weeks away. 3 games becomes, I think, a point where you don't want to get past.
Really? You're all the way from the left lane.
Because that's what matters.
Truly devastating. Let's see. The draft does mention
Exit regret.
the Respect for Marriage Act,
Really?
which is an important piece of legislation.
Drive like an
Federal
idiot.
legislation.
Stop it!
This is to safeguard against.
Younger than you are. Well, you know, be happy for him. He's bringing people to comedy. Like, what the? Have you even watched it? Like, and then you watch the kid and he's funny. Like, I don't understand.
Nice
like,
cut off.
I understand.
No, stop.
Prepare to fast forward!
Preparing to fast forward.
Fast forward!
Fast forwarding, sir.
The same Toyota turd from before cannot color inside the lines from the coloring books from his childhood. You know, we have to park over here for some reason. Stupid, stupid, stupid. Exit dive behind me.
To each their own. So, and this is one of the main popularizers of this rapture idea.
Straight from left turn lane.
Evidently, there was debate. He's got a cross reference to 1 Thessalonians 4:17 in the note, and then he's referring to
Red light, run.
Go out to a crash site where someone has died, or someone
No,
has
stop.
been dramatically injured. I'm going to tell you, this is.
But he called John to come over. And I guess John would bring his guitar. And Blue would be like, John, leave the guitar.
Blue,
I think John was like a.
Nice cutoff up there.
Hangs out with regular.
Yeah.
Guitar.
Willie's the sound effect, Star Talk sound effect show. Maybe that's coming. The Sound Effects Fest. Coming to Star Talkers.
Red light, run. Red light, run. The Coke dealer ran the red light. And I also like Pepsi better, so fuck you. Red light, run.
Over the line!
Seriously. You were nowhere near hitting him. Just take it slow around him. Rosy cheeks. Wildest dreams and I... Exit dives behind me. Why are you stopping over here? Move up! You got plenty of room, dude. You have like no spatial awareness at all? Come on. And you're in that bus's way too. Like, what the fuck's wrong with you? Wait, did he dive for the left turn lane?